Well, looking up here, he said that there was some sort of fire, some sort of wires burned up and stuff. Immediately after removing the air cleaner, I spotted exactly what the problem is. Looks like the TBI harness here got burned up, and this flat spot in the wire, which I noticed immediately as soon as I picked up the air cleaner housing, got trapped below and shorted out the ground, and looks like that's the problem. So this may be a pretty easy fix, hopefully, for his sake. Yeah, throttle blades still move, so that's a good thing. I wonder how good a shape the injectors are. I don't know how long it's been sitting. We're gonna try and throw a harness on here and see if maybe we can at least get it started so I can drive it and move it. That's where we're at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the batteries out, and they're a couple of years old. We'll see if maybe they'll take a charge. Maybe we can bring them back to life. But yeah. And we got the fits-all wrench here. Gonna use that today because I didn't really bring any tools except for ye old bear claw, because I had to fight with the hood. And of course, the most important tool of all, ye beer. Technically, today is Natter Day, but it's a little chilly out, so we had to switch it up, you know, for the season change. We got this cold front that came through, and everything is freezing now. I think it's a balmy 36 degrees out right now. So certificate of achievement here. Nice big sip because it's heavy. Ugh. Well, I guess that's something we'll have to take care of for Casey too. I don't want to send him down the road in it that nasty. How bad's the other one? Well, yeah. All right. Put these over in the truck. Make sure these aren't phased. That should be all right. We got some batteries in it now, so let's see what happens. I decided that he said he didn't know if it was locked up or not. It's been sitting for a while. He wasn't sure. You know, he said check the motor, see if it's froze up. And I figured since I need batteries for a couple of other things anyway, that it wasn't going to hurt to just go ahead and get a set and stick them in here and see what happens. And if it didn't work, then I'll just take them back out and put them in mine. And if they did work, then they'll just be in here and it'll just be part of this job. So let's see what happens. Oh, we got stuff coming on. Well, it cranks. Probably doesn't have any fuel. Not that that's going to do anything because it's TBI. My goodness, that's annoying.